Do you think it's really possible to reduce the water withdrawal by more than 60% in a large glass manufacturing plant? Yes, it is possible, and now we will explain you how to do that. Hello everyone, we are in one of the largest glass manufacturing plants in the world. This plant belongs to the NSG Group and has more than 60 years of history. It's located in San Salvo, a small town in the center of Italy, overlooking the Adriatic Sea. As glass manufacturer, we use significant amount of water to wash the glass at each step of the process and also to cool down our furnaces. So let's see what we did to reduce our water withdrawal. First of all, we automated the process. We implemented smart valves and equipment to avoid any kind of water waste. Secondly, we implemented a completely automatic water recovery system that allows us to recover more than 90% of the water used in production. Finally, we also developed a rainwater recovery system. Thanks to these three activities, we save every year the quantity of water that is consumed in a city of about 30,000 inhabitants. This has a great benefit for local community because it helps to avoid water scarcity, mainly in summer, and it has been much appreciated by local government.
The water reduction project developed by the NSG Group has been crucial for our community. Water scarcity is a pressing issue in our area, but thanks to this project, we have been able to effectively overcome it.
Our water reduction project is still ongoing and continuously improved. It is demonstrating how it's possible to produce high-quality products while minimizing the impact on the environment.